Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to show you that how to do a basic French braid. So let's get started. First of all, comb your hair so there aren't any knots, and then take a section of hair from your crown area like so, and divide that into 3 equal strands. So this is our left strand, right strand and middle strand. So take the right strand, place it over the middle strand, take the left strand and place it over the middle strand. Then hold the right strand from the other hand and take out a section of hair from the right side, add it to the right strand and place both over the middle. And on the left strand, hold it with the other hand, take out a section of hair from the left side, add it to the left strand and place both over the middle. So again, take the right strand, place it over the middle, add a section of hair into the right strand and place both over the middle. And then hold the left strand, add a section of hair from the left side into the left strand, place both over the middle. Continue doing this braid until you gather all the hair into the braid. Sure you're holding your braid tight enough so it doesn't get loosened up. And then after you gathered all your hair into the braid, just do few stitches of a regular 3-strand braid. And when you reach at the end, just start off using a hair elastic, and your basic French braid is done. So friends, hope you like this video. Be sure to comment down below that what you want to see next, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.